Our brain is changing faster than we realize. Recent neurological studies show that excessive short-form content consumption, especially from apps like TikTok, is silently reshaping the very structure of our mind. Scientists have found that spending too much time scrolling through rapid, fast-paced videos may shrink key brain regions responsible for focus, memory, and impulse control. These are the same areas you rely on for deep thinking, productivity, and long-term decision-making. TikTok's endless scroll trains your brain to crave instant gratification. Every swipe releases quick dopamine hits. Over time, this rewires your brain to prefer short, exciting bursts of information instead of long, meaningful tasks. This habit weakens your attention span, reduces patience, and makes it harder to study, work, or stay focused on anything longer than a few seconds. Researchers even found that these brain changes mirror patterns seen in addiction. Constant exposure to high-stimulation content also creates mental fatigue. Your brain becomes overstimulated, making it harder to concentrate, think clearly, or control impulses. Eventually, long videos, books, conversations, even daily tasks start feeling boring or difficult. But the good news is this: the brain is flexible. You can rebuild attention and regain mental clarity. Experts recommend taking digital breaks, limiting screen time, and switching to content that promotes learning, creativity, and deeper engagement. Technology is powerful. It can strengthen or weaken your mind depending on how you use it. Your attention is one of your most valuable assets. Protect it before you lose control of it. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.